Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Squishmallow Shadow the Hedgehog. So first let's get started by drawing in the eyes. So on the right hand side we're going to draw in a small circle for our right eye. Let's move over towards the left, lining that up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. In the top left hand corner now we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight of the eye. And we'll do the same thing on the left. Moving around this now, we're going to draw a circle in the center, connecting that from the bottom, bringing that all the way around on towards the top. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. In the middle now for the nose, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. And then now from here, we're going to connect this together with an arch line. In the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the highlight on the nose. Moving up towards the top, we're going to draw another curved line from left to right. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out, up, arching that back around and in. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, curving this down, arching that up, and then curving that back around and in. From here, let's connect this on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. And now let's draw in our mouth. So on the right hand side in this corner, we're going to draw a curved line from top to bottom. And now from here, we're going to arch that around and then down. Let's draw in the eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. In this corner now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. On the top, on the right hand side now, we're going to curve this line up on either side. And now from here on this point, we're going to curve this back around and in towards the top. Let's draw on the fur in the center now. So in the middle, we're going to draw a curved line that arches out on either side. And now from here on this point, we're going to curve this down. Now from here, we're going to arch that back out towards the side. And then we're going to curve this back around and in. From this point, let's curve this out towards the side again, making that slightly wider. And then again, we're going to curve this back in towards the middle. On the bottom again, we're going to curve this out on either side. And then now from here, we're going to curve this down, in, and then down. And we'll replicate this on the right, arching this down, in, and then back down, connecting that on the point. Let's draw on the top of the head now. So moving directly in towards the center, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw an arch line from left to right. Let's draw in the shape of the body now. So on the left-hand side in the corner here, we're going to curve this all the way around and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, arching this all the way around and then down. Let's connect this with a curved line from left to right, dipping that down in the center and then bringing that back up as we come over towards the right-hand side. Now let's draw in our ears. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. And now from this point, we're going to curve this back around and then down. In the center now, we'll replicate that. So on the top, we're going to curve that out. And then again, at that point, we're going to curve that back around and in. Let's move behind our ears now, and we're going to curve this line up on both sides. And now from here on this point, we're going to curve this back around and in. Again, moving down, we're going to curve this out towards the side. And then starting at that point, we're going to curve this further down and in towards the side of the body. Now from here in the corner, we're going to curve this in. We'll do the same thing on the left. And then one last time as we move down in this portion here, we're going to curve this back in on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Squishmallow Shadow the Hedgehog. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.